Connecting with the CarPlay on my phone. You can see the maps. There's more apps here. Okay, Google Maps, regular maps. Everything is on the iPhone, on my CarPlay. It's here. I have. All right, so I keep working on the bike, and what I did today, I installed a display with the CarPlay, so I can look the map. Let me show you the connection first. Okay, the connection is, I'm gonna put a picture so you can see how it connects. On the bottom here is the fuse. Here it's where you put the power stuff, and here on the top one, it's the speakers. All right, here where you put the antenna right here. I haven't installed it yet. I put the tape, like silver tape on the top. I'm going to show you on the front. It's not finished yet, so yeah, I can prevent the rain from coming into the unit directly. And let's go on the front. This is how it looks like. Alright, you can see here the tape. I haven't finished yet. I'm gonna put just a little bit silicone all around, and let me show you how it looks. Alright, I haven't put the antenna yet. Everything works. I have already tested. It's connecting with the CarPlay on my phone. Alright, you can see the maps. I don't know if we can zoom in and out, no, but I can see my Google Maps and directions. Alright, and I can see the music player. I can see the phone book, and there's more apps here. Okay, Google Maps, regular maps. Everything is on the iPhone, on my CarPlay. It's here. I have Spotify, I have Viber. Everything is like that. It works. Alright, so, you know, check it out. I can't wait. Yeah, it works. The speaker's working and everything, but the only thing I'm going to upgrade on this is an amplifier. I'm going to put an amplifier. I'm going to put a decent quality of speakers. I don't like the sound of this, but we use the intercom to listen to music anyway. I put this to, I can put the maps. I can see the maps and I can see my route, because as you can see the street glide, there is no much space to put anything. Look at that. I'm gonna put a RAM mount here for my GoPro or my 360 Insta, and that's it. What else I'm gonna, I don't know, have no idea what I'm gonna put anything else. But it's a beautiful bike. I mean, watch my previous episodes. So this is the CarPlay. It has also Android. I think you go from here. This is the volume, up and down. Maybe go from the display. It splits the map. Look at that. It's excellent. Okay, and if we, it works like this. Look at that. It's nice. I have it on my other unit. Go look the other unit I put on the Beamer. Home assistance, YouTube music, eWay link, but I'm gonna adjust this from the settings on my iPhone. Alright, excellent. Alright, if you guys have any questions how to put this, where are you gonna buy this, is just put it in the comments. But I love it. Look, my street glide. Alright, I'm gonna connect the antenna. I have to clean up, yes, I know, I have to clean up everything. I disconnect everything so I can work on the radio. Let me see if I can find the antenna. The antenna is right here. Alright, we got the antenna in. And let's if I can find the radio. Let's go to car. Radio right here. So far apart, I'm so shaken, about to explode. All right, so you know, as you can see, you guys, it works perfectly. Okay, one more thing is, I got this rear view camera that you can connect with this And if I'm able to connect it today, I'm gonna, let you know how I did it and everything. But it looks very simple. You just put one plug on the back of the radio. We're gonna connect this to aux video. Okay, not video in. It's not working. I'm gonna explain you what's going on here. All right, this one. Okay, this is the rear camera. Put the rear camera. Let me explain what's going on here. The camera is right here. Okay, it's a good position because it's below what we're gonna put on the rack, and you can see everything. But so I have run the wire here. I'm gonna explain you the connections, and I have here, right here, it's the red and the yellow. The yellow is the same one that I saw you that goes on the front. All right, that yellow comes also with that red. You don't need that if you don't have a car and you don't want to put it on. This is for the reverse on the car, so you just leave it there. All right, but the red, it's power to the camera. So I have connect the ground right here. Okay, and I have taken positive from this fuse. This fuse is the accessories right here. So I'm gonna close this one now. It's ready. And look it right here in the side, there is an opening. Check it out, so you don't have to worry it's gonna, cut or anything. And just put it like that. I just put a tire up right here. Okay, so this gives power to the camera when you turn the ignition on. All right, so let's check it out. I got the ignition on. The camera is activated. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay, so we go to the CarPlay. Example, let it connect. Okay, it's connected. Now it has the little thing here. You see that? That will bring you into the home. Then you press down here, and you go here, and you put AV in. And we have the rear view camera. It's a lot of fun. I mean, maybe I never need it, but I just put it on because, sometimes on the highway when it's raining, I put it there just in case you're on a highway with a lot of trucks and stuff, and you need it. It's there if you need it. That's the idea. And then if you press here, that little house here, it will take you back to the CarPlay. All right, thanks guys. Morning guys. Hey Wolf, say good morning to everybody. As you can see, we got rain. Check it out. Got the bags here, and I finished up the bike yesterday, but I wanted to show you. I don't have it on a video because it's really very simple for, not for all of us, but for some of us. An amplifier. I put an amplifier in here. I'm going to explain you. It's a small one. It's like this big. One is in there. It's up to here. That's it. The amplifier is like this big, and it goes in here. It's a 400 watt. The sound, it's really good. I can tell you, I tested it because last night, yesterday was like a little bit, only Saturday, so I couldn't make any noise. But today I'm gonna bust the thing. It's really loud. It's really good, and the quality is excellent. I'm gonna show you what kind of speakers they are in there. They have also the tweeters, and the way to do it. Make sure you get the connectors. Very important. If you don't have the connectors, you actually have to solder each one of these. But even if you have to do that, you just follow the colors. It's really easy. It's scary in the beginning, but it's not. I did it. If I can do it, you can do it. All right. So what happened is the connectors on the new display, they are Pioneer. So this is how it looks like on the back of it. All right. And on the amplifier, it looks like that. Okay. So you plug the males from the amplifier into the unit. Then you take from the bike the other two that coming out, then I'll show you before, and you plug them here, and the thing works, and that's it. It's very simple. All right, and it's really in the morning right now. We're getting ready for a trip. You should watch the next episode. We'll go to a beautiful little fishing village in Evi Island. That will be today. I already booked up with the booking. I booked up the hotel. Is right on the beach, like 10 meters from the water. Just turn it on. It should connect automatically with the iPhone. Remember, this is a CarPlay. It's connected. It's got a remote control. So I can keep it in my pocket and give it to Rose, and she can control the display. Look at that. Let me show you now. It's really funny. So you press the mode. All right, and we got the rear view camera. Look at that. Okay, you press again. This is the radio. All right, you press again, and you go to the CarPlay, and and you can go volume up and down and next song and blah blah blah. But another thing I have done is I bought this one. Was really not bad. Here, this is a controller that you can actually plug on the back of the unit, and you can I can put this probably here, all right, and have a control, or I'm going to try to control it from the bike. The bike has the same controls here, I believe, but this is the next episode. I'm going to do it another time because this is now waterproof and I don't want to put it here and do all the work. I'm going to try to get the diagram, the electrical diagram, and connect the motorcycle into the thing, okay? Because I think the thing is gonna, after I finish up waterproofing it, it's gonna hold. And the worst scenario, everything, all the connectors, they are the same. It's not very expensive, so if it burns out, just put another one, and that's it. Till I find later on maybe a waterproof unit. I couldn't find a waterproof unit that fits this kind of display, but everything works perfect. We're gonna test it today on the road. And also I have done a lot of work on the bike. I did the brake fluids, I did all new wiring and stuff. I'm gonna show you how to turn to remove it and connect it. It's really easy. It's only 6 bolts, but look at that. Well, these guys, they have customized this bike. Look how beautiful these things are. This goes back with the silicone, right? Look how beautiful the whole thing is. The paint, it's unreal. It's amazing. I love it. I fall in love after years and years with my Fat Boy again with this Street Glide. I mean, can't even sleep. We're taking it for a ride today. See you on the road. Subscribe, more to come. Thanks for watching.